to my brothers, and that's what you are. You are my brothers because we are family. And as family, we do have to look out for one another.
What does it take to win that championship that you guys are talking about? Do you know what it takes? I'll tell you what it takes. It takes men. It takes real men, because it's going to take process before you get to the prize. Process is what you're going through right now. Those long dog-ass days, those hard-ass practices, I'm exhausted, man. I'm tired, man. I'm dead, man. Yeah, that's process. And in process, what do we get? We learn who's committed. We learn who we can depend on. We learn this is what it takes to be a champion. I bust my ass training. I swear to you, you can't find a person that worked harder than I did, because I was scared. I was scared of Eddie Brown and Stanley Shakespeare, the receivers that played before me, saying I didn't carry that they gave me. They gave it to me as a champion. It was my responsibility to make it and keep it that way. And I wouldn't stand in front of them as a man, and I handed them, after they handed me something, I handed them back nothing. You guys understand what you're wearing, the helmet you're wearing. It ain't just you. It doesn't just involve you. A lot of people paid the way for you to be where you are.
It's our work ethic. It's our heart. We want something else. There's a certain aura about us that people want to be part of. You're going to have your doubters. You're going to have your naysayers. Guess what? Nobody likes you. Coach is not lying, man. Nobody likes you. I'm telling you. I know. They don't like me. But everybody wants to be like us, because they know how much work we put in. It's some hard work, man. The heart y'all put into it in the summertime, man, together. I know y'all ready to hit somebody else. See, a true leader brings other people with him. He make the guys around him better. So take advantage of right now. This is the best times, the greatest times of your life. So understand where you're at right now, man. Right now in life. You got seniors that's leaving. You ain't coming back. Freshmen, take heed to what you're seeing. Grow from it. Grab hold to your opportunity right now. Everybody. When I say everybody, everybody you play against, guess what game they playing in? They national championship. So guess what? We got to be on. We ain't got time to slack. I couldn't do nothing without my teammates. Not a one play, man. Not an interception, not a yard, not nothing without my teammates. We did everything together. Everybody, man. We hung together, we did it together. Not one person in here can win a national championship by itself. But you gotta do it together, fellas.
It's something special. You see, it's here. And you guys, you knew that. You knew it in your mind and you knew it in your heart. Let's know it again. Let's know it again. And then we'll have something to reminisce on later, and you'll stand here and talk to the next group about the responsibilities they have. Handle your responsibilities. We'll see you in the championship game.
have to trust one another. We have to rely on one another. Let's lean on one another. That's what family is for. Lean on me, man. And if I need help, I'm gonna lean on you. Lean on